Mrs. Johnston here, and we are going to look and apply multiple meanings in a word. So, in our story, in your read aloud, you heard inside a cherry is a big, hard thing called a cherry pit. We're talking about this item right here as pointing at the cherry pit. But did you know that the word pit can have multiple meanings? It can mean more than one thing. So notice how when we're talking about the cherry pit, the pit of a seed, we have the number one. So if what we are describing or talking about, if it means a pit or a part of a seed, we're going to hold up one finger. It can also mean a hole in the ground. A pit can be a hole in the ground. And so when we're talking about that, if that meaning is the meaning we're giving, we're going to hold up two fingers. Pit can also mean to compete against each other, like in a race. And if we say that, then we are going to hold up three fingers. Let's see if we can practice and work on multiple meanings of a word. So, I ate my peach all the way down to the pit. Would that be an example of one, two, or three? Did you hold up one finger? That's right. That peach pit would be an example of number one. So, what about if I said that I had a competition in the three-legged race where I was pit against my classmates? Which type of pit would that be talking about? Did you hold up three fingers? Three fingers in the three-legged race would be a pit against my friends, against my classmates. It would be a race. The pit that my dad dug in the backyard for the fence post. Which example would that be of? Did you hold up two fingers? That's right. That would be an example of a pit in the ground, the pit that my dad dug for the fence post. So remember, pit can have multiple meanings. It can mean the seed part of a fruit. It can also mean a hole in the ground, and it can also mean or indicate to compete against each other like in a race. See if today you can use the word pit in different meanings. So if you happen to have a apple in your lunch or for snack today, can you talk about the pit that is in there in your peach or your plum? They have pits in them. Maybe if you are outside today and you see a hole in the ground, see what type of pit that is.